Good afternoon. We will start about Anglo-Sikh Wars. We have to study about Anglo-Sikh War. Anglo-Sikh War. We have to learn Anglo-Sikh War. We have to learn about Anglo-Sikh War. We will study about Anglo-Sikh War. We have to learn Anglo-Sikh War. What is meant by Anglo-Sikh War? That we have to learn. Anglo-Sikh War. Before that, we have to learn about Ranjit Singh. We have to learn about Ranjit Singh. We have to learn or we have to study about Ranjit Singh. We have to study about Ranjit Singh. In the year 1718 he was born. 1780 he was born. In the land of Punjab, Ranjit Singh was born in the year 1780. His father was Sardar Mahasingh. Sardar Mahasingh was the father of Ranjit Singh. Sardar Mahasingh was the father of Ranjit Singh. Then who was he? That we have to understand. Then what is Sukhar Chakia? Sukhar Chakia Misil was there in Punjab. Misil means an administrative unit. There was the presence of 12 administrative units. There was the presence of 12 administrative units. One administrative unit was known as one Misil. One administrative unit was one missing. One administrative unit was one missing. 12 administrative units were there in Punjab. 12 administrative units were there in Punjab. Then what happened? Among the 12 administrative units, one Sukhar Chakia Misil was there in Sukhar. What is Sukhar Chakia administrative unit was there in Punjab. He was the head of Sukhar Chakia administrative wing. Sukhar Chakia. So, from childhood onwards, what happened? From childhood onwards, Ranjit Singh began to receive administrative experience. From childhood onwards, Ranjit Singh began to receive administration or administrative experience. So once more I will tell you children, see, we are studying about Anglo-Sikh War. We are learning or we are studying about Anglo-Sikh War. Then what is we are learning or we are studying about Anglo-Sikh War. Then what happened? Ranjit Singh. What is Ranjit Singh was the greatest ruler of Punjab, Sikh people. Ranjit Singh. Where he was born or when he was born, that we are learning. When he was born or where he was born, that we are studying. Where he was born and when he was born, that we are learning. Where he was born and when he was born, that we are learning. In the year 1780, what happened? In the year 1780 period, what happened? In the year 1780 period, Ranjit Singh was born in the land of Punjab. His father was Sardar Maha. Sardar Maha was the father of Ranjit Singh. Sardar Maha. He was not an ordinary person. Sardar Maha was a ruler. Sukhar Chakia Misil was there in Punjab. Misil means one administrative unit. One administrative unit is known as Misil. Sardar Maha was the ruler of Sukhar Chakia Misil. 12 administrative units were there. 12 misils were there in Punjab. 12. Misil means one administrative unit was known as misil. One administrative unit was known as misil. Among the 12 administrative units, Sukhar Chakia was one administrative unit. Among the 12 administrative units, Sukhar Chakia was one administrative unit. Sukhar Chakia was one administrative unit. So, Sardar Maha was the ruler of Sukhar Chakia Misil or administrative unit. I think children, up to here you are able to follow. See, listen here, children. At the age of 10, he lost his father. At the age of 10, Ranjit Singh lost his father. At the age of 10, Ranjit Singh lost his father. So what happened? Ranjit Singh began to lead a life of suffering or misery. Ranjit Singh began to lead a life of suffering or misery. That was the real speciality of Ranjit Singh. He led a life of misery or sufferings. He lost his father at the age of 10. Then what happened? Kabul. One area is known as Kabul. Kabul area, might have studied about Kabul area. You studied about Kabul area, I think. How you know about Kabul? Last year I told you about Kabul. What is the meaning and what is speciality of Kabul? Last year I told you. You should use your brain or you should think what is speciality of Kabul. What is the meaning or what is speciality of Kabul? That we have to think. Kabul. What is the meaning? Last year we studied about Mughal dynasty. We learned or we studied about Mughal dynasty last year. Mughal dynasty was founded by or Mughal dynasty was established by Mughal dynasty was founded by, or it was established by Babur. It was Babur who established Mughal dynasty. Babur. Babur established Mughal dynasty. Babur came from the land of Kabul and he attacked India and he defeated whom? He defeated Ibrahim Lodi of Lodi dynasty. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi of Lodi dynasty. This was another case. Like Babur, what happened? Another person also came to attack India. What is her? Shah Saman. What happened? Shah Saman attacked India during this. Shah Saman attacked India during this time. He came to India and attacked India. Then what happened? Ranjit Singh was a boy of 19 years. He was a boy of 19 years. He had no administrative experience during this time. He had no administrative experience during this time. But Ranjit Singh used his brain. Ranjit Singh. Then what happened? Ranjit Singh supported Shah Aman. Ranjit Singh gave all types of support to Shah Aman. He supported Shah Aman. Then what happened? He supported Shah Aman. He supported Shah Aman. Shah Saman. The Shah Saman became very happy. Shah Saman appointed him as the governor of Lahore area. Who appointed? Shah Saman appointed Ranjit Singh as the governor of Lahore area. He appointed him as the governor of Lahore area. Lahore area. This was one speciality. Lahore area. What is the meaning? If Ranjit Singh had, what happened? If Ranjit Singh had quarreled with Shah Saman, it would have affected the life of whom? It would have affected the life of whom? It would have affected the life of Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh was very weak in front of whom? In front of Shah Saman. Then what happened? During this particular time, what actually happened? During this particular time, what actually happened? Ranjit Singh supported Shah Saman, and because of that he became the Lahore governor only because of support of Shah Saman. Shah Saman appointed Ranjit Singh as the Nawab or governor of Lahore area. All these incidents happened when? All these incidents happened before independence. All these things happened before independence. Before independence only, all these things happened before independence. Then what happened? Before independence only, all these things happened. Because now Lahore is not there in India. Now Lahore is not there in India. Now Lahore is there in the land of Pakistan. Lahore is there in the land of Pakistan. During this time, Lahore was there in India. He became the governor of Lahore area. Once more I will tell you children. Ranjit Singh, I told you where he was born. And when he was born, that I told you. At the age of 10, what happened? At the age of 10, Ranjit Singh lost his father. He was only a small boy. He wandered here and there. Who wandered? Ranjit Singh wandered here and there to establish a Sikh kingdom. He wandered here and there to establish one Sikh kingdom. Who wandered? Ranjit Singh. During this time, Shah Saman came to India. He was from the land of Kabul. From the land of Kabul, Shah Saman came to the land of India. Shah Saman came to the land of India during this particular time. Shah Saman. He attacked India. But Ranjit Singh did not quarrel with the Shah Saman. Ranjit Singh did not quarrel with the Shah Saman. Ranjit Singh. During that time, his age was only 19 years. Ranjit Singh gave all the support to Shah Saman. So, Shah Saman became very happy. Shah Saman appointed Ranjit Singh as the governor of Lahore area. Then, what is his main idea was to establish a Sikh kingdom. See, his idea was to establish Sikh kingdom during 1809 period. During 1809 period, what happened? During 1809 period, Ranjit Singh made one agreement with the British people. What is the meaning of that agreement? That we have to think. We have to know, or we have to think what is the meaning of that agreement. What is the meaning of that agreement? What is the meaning? Ranjit Singh, what Ranjit Singh did? Ranjit Singh decided that, or Ranjit Singh declared that he would not attack British people. British people agreed that he would not attack Ranjit Singh. So a treaty was made between, treaty means agreement. An agreement was made between Ranjit Singh and British people. This happened during this particular time. An agreement was made between Ranjit Singh and the British people during this particular time. He made one army in European style. He made one army in European style. That means he recruited so many people. He recruited so many people from different parts of India and gave training to the soldiers in European style. So, a European style of army A European style of army was made by Ranjit Singh during this particular time. Then what is that? He made one workshop in Lahore. He made one workshop in Lahore. He made one workshop in Lahore state to make weapons. In order to make weapons, what happened? In order to make weapons, in order to make weapons, what happened? In order to make weapons, he made one army. Made one workshop in Lahore area. Workshop. In order to make which one? In order to make which one? Weapons. For the purpose of making weapons or in order to make weapons. What happened? In order to make weapons. Ranjit Singh made one factory or workshop in Lahore. In that factory or workshop, Ranjit Singh made so many instruments or weapons of his own. Once more, I will tell you, children, during 1809 period, what was the main idea of Ranjit Singh? Ranjit Singh's main idea was to make a Sikh kingdom of his own. That was the main idea of Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh decided to make a Sikh kingdom of his own. In the 1809 period, in the 1809 period, a treaty or agreement was made between British people and Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh agreed that he will not attack whom? Britishers. Britishers also agreed that they will not attack Ranjit Singh. They will not attack Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh made one army. Ranjit Singh made one army in European style. A European style army was made by Ranjit Singh. A European style army was made by Ranjit Singh. That means he recruited so many people from different parts of India in his army and gave them training in European style. In Lahore, what happened? In the land of Lahore, he made one factory. In the land of Lahore, he made one workshop or factory in order to make weapons. There he made enough weapons of his own. Tolerance. What is that? He followed a policy of religious tolerance. Who? Ranjit Singh followed a policy of religious tolerance. What is the meaning of tolerance? That we have to think. What is tolerance for? What is the meaning of tolerance? That we have to think. Tolerance. Tolerance means respecting other religions. That is tolerance. Give maximum respect to other religions are known by the name tolerance. not only our religion, not only our religion, we have to respect other religions also. That is the meaning of tolerance. He gave maximum importance to Hindu-Muslim unity. He gave maximum importance to Hindu-Muslim unity. Ranjit Singh told that Hindus and Muslims should live together without problems, because during those days Hindu-Muslim quarrel was there in the land of India. Hindu-Muslim quarrel was there. So Ranjit Singh gave maximum importance to Hindu-Muslim unity. Hindu-Muslim unity was the major idea of Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh gave maximum value or importance to Hindu-Muslim unity. He recruited, he selected so many Muslims also in his army. He appointed or he selected so many Muslims also into his army and office. Then what is Britishers also used this man. Northern side. Britishers also used this man. Northwest side of India. From the northwest side of India, from the northwest side of India, there was the possibility of so many attacks from northwest side of India. From northwest side of India, British people were facing so many attacks, but Ranjit Singh was controlling all those attacks. So Ranjit Singh really helped the British people. He died in the year 1839. He died in the year 1839. He died during the 1839. Then what happened? During this time, before his death, he had established a powerful kingdom of his own. During this particular time, he had established a well-developed kingdom of his own. A well-developed kingdom he had established. Once more I will tell you, children, listen here. See, Ranjit Singh followed the policy of religious tolerance. Ranjit Singh. He followed the policy of religious tolerance. Ranjit Singh. He used the policy of religious tolerance really. Then what is that? Religious tolerance means respecting other religions. Respecting other religions as our religion is known as tolerance. Or give maximum respect to other religions are known as tolerance. That means Ranjit Singh supported Hindu-Muslim unity. He told that Hindus and Muslims should live together. Hindus and Muslims should live together. That was the major idea of Ranjit Singh. He appointed so many Muslims also. He appointed so many Muslim officers also. And he appointed them in his army and office. And at the northwest side of India, what is that? At the northwest side of India, so many people were attacking whom? They were attacking India. And British people were not able to control this attack. So, Ranjit Singh had a very good army. Ranjit Singh was controlling the attack over India through the northwestern side. Through the northwestern side. Then what is sir? During 1839 period, Ranjit Singh died. 1839 period. Before his death, he had established. What happened? He had established a very good Sikh kingdom of his own. Before his death, he had established a very good or well developed Sikh kingdom of his own. It was the greatness of Ranjit Singh. What is greatness? It was the greatness of Ranjit Singh that he established a well developed, very good Sikh kingdom of his own. I think you are able to follow, children. Now we will have a discussion. You turn on your mic.